What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Today I'm gonna be showing how to make Liboké recipe. It's from Congo. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my ingredients. So I have 3 white onions, 1 red onions, some garlic, 1 lemon and some green onion. So now in my blender I have the 3 white onions, and I also added the half of the green onions, and I also put the garlic, and I also added the tomato sauce, and I'm going to blend it, and that will be my seasoning. And as you can see in the back, I still have my red onions and my lemon and also the half of the green onion that I'm going to use later for the fish. So here is my other ingredient for the fish for later. So I cut my red onion and the other half of the scallions, and I also have my lemons that I'm going to use. And now I'm going to season my fish. So I'm going to put my fish in a plate, and I'm going to add my seasoning, the mix that I put in the blender is the seasoning. So I'm going to season my fish, and I'm going to add fish seasoning and mix everything together. I'm going to add some oil. This is canola oil. I'm also going to add lemon. I'm going to marinate well my fish so that it can penetrate well. And now I'm adding some ginger spice, and I'm going to mix everything to marinate well. Now I'm adding the scallion and the red onion that I cut. I'm going to put it in my fish and mix everything. And I'm going to add some water into the plate and mix everything together properly. After mixing everything together, I'm going to repeat the same process for the other fish that I'm going to marinate. So I'm adding my seasoning. After I'm adding the oil, the lemon, the fish spice, and also the ginger, and marinate properly with my hand, which is always the best to marinate your fish or meat. In my point of view, I think so. So this is the ginger, the oil, black pepper, and some salt also. I'm going to marinate properly. So as you can see, I'm putting the marinade inside the fish so it can penetrate well the meat. Now I'm adding my other ingredients, so the red onion and the scallion, and I'm going to add some water and mix everything together with a spoon. After mixing everything together, I also forgot, so I'm going to add some dry red chili. I'm going to put it in my plate and mix. And after doing the seasoning, I'm going to let it rest for 2 hours before actually cooking my fish. As you can see, all my fish are seasoned, so I'm going to let it sit for 2 hours before I cook. You can also let it sit for a day, so you can do your marinade the day before and you can cook the next day. So after 2 hours, I have a plate and I'm going to use a leaf to cook my fish. I don't remember the name of the leaves, so I'm going to put it on the screen so that you can see which leaf is it. So I'm going to use this. So I'm using 2 leaves, one in the vertical and I put the other in the horizontal, and I'm going to add my fish that I seasoned earlier. So those leaves are the one that we use to cook the maboke. So the leaves give an authentic flavor to this recipe. So we need to use these leaves to cook the maboke. So I'm going to put the name of the leaves, the exact name of the leaves in the screen, so that you could look for it and so that you can know the proper name, because right now I don't remember the name, so I'm going to put it on the screen for you. And I'm going to tie my leaves. And I'm going to tie it with a cooking string. Tie it properly with a cooking string. And now I'm also going to cover all this with some aluminum foil and baking paper. So I'm going to tie it again so that the juice doesn't evaporate if the leaves have walls or all that. That's why I'm using an aluminum foil to cover. And now that everything is ready, so after tightening my maboke, now I'm going to cook my maboke. I'm going to put that in the grill and I'm going to let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes on the grill. So after 35 minutes, I'm going to take off all my mabokes. My maboke are ready because the leaves are dry, so that means it is ready. So I'm going to take all my mabokes off the grill and I'm going to untie it and open my maboke. It smells so good, guys. an authentic smell. An authentic smell. So my maboke is ready. You can see. Looks so yummy, and I'm going to eat it with some chikwang. And that's it, guys. That's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.